Here's an informational video on what a healthy engine sounds like. Right? And here is what Rodnoff sounds like. You will easily be able to tell the difference.